How to use DeepSeek for coding. Now, DeepSeek can be utilized for coding in several ways, primarily through its open source model and integrations with a various development environment as well. What you could actually do is now here, if you want to use DeepSeek AI for coding, then basically the simplest way to use DeepSeek is through the hosted chat box interface at chat.deepseek.com, or else you could just simply install app onto your device from your respective app store, and you could open up and then create your account. So here what you need is you just need to type in the prompt. So you could type in, let's say this is the message you want to give a prompt, and it's going to give you the instructions what not to send and what to send in order to understand it in clearly. So you could also send a picture, you could also add in the code and all that stuff. And this way you'll be able to use a DeepSeek AI for coding. And likewise, you could also use a DeepSeek API. Now for integration, DeepSeek capability into your own applications or script, you could use their API, which is compatible with OpenAI or API format as well. So basically for this, you need to sign into DeepSeek platform to get the API key, and then use the API to make requests in your chosen program language, such as Python with the OpenAI SDK, or you need to set the base URL such as api.deepseek.com/v1. This can help you out. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.